GPS III-8 payload deploy confirmed.
And there you heard and saw a successful deployment of the GPS III-8 payload. And with successful deployment of SV10, we'll be bringing our live mission coverage to a close. We'd like to thank the United States Space Force for entrusting us with today's mission, as well as the Range and FAA for their support. If you're interested in more launch coverage, head on over to spacex.com/launches for the most up-to-date information. When you're there, check out our departure board with all the details about our upcoming missions. And of course, remember to follow @SpaceX on X for more updates. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you again soon.